Alright, so here are my 10 frame assembly jig beesource plans. I had to make a lot of alterations to make these plans work. So starting from the beginning, I had to make shims, 1/8 inch shims from the top of this thing, which is number D. Letter D, not number D. The crossbar. I don't remember what part it was called. From the top of this up, I needed a 1/8 inch shim on all 4 sides. And let me see here. I needed to add that on number E. Letter E. Why do I keep saying number E? This dado has to be 5/16 of an inch deep, 3/4 of an inch wide, in whatever, I don't know what measurements you use here. You need that. That's for the inner supports. The old inner supports were way too short according to the plans. Now I'm using the plans for 5 to 6 inch frames. Not the deeps, 9 inch frames. I'm using 5 to 6 inch frames, shallows and mediums. Now, they originally suggest to use 3/4 of an inch lumber. You don't dado it or anything. You're supposed to put it in right here. That's all well and good. It fits okay. And it fits okay because I put a 1/8 of an inch shim right here. See, I nailed it in there. 1/8 of an inch shim. Their original measurements just weren't good. Whenever I'd slide it into this little groove right here, it would fall out. Not only that, but without this dado that I put in here, here's the original, you can't fit your end bars down in. You see how they don't fit down in? You put your dado in, now you can fit your end bars in, like they're supposed to. Alright, so now let me get to how this plan actually works. I told you I'd play Christmas music. Alright, throw these in here as quick as I can. Don't watch this movie if you're strict on time. If you don't have time to watch it, don't watch it. That's all I'm going to say. Let's see here. Throw this end bar in there. Inner support. Throw that inner support in there. End bars in. Deck the halls with boughs of holly. There it is. Switched it up on me. Now, like I said, you can fit 10 frames in this jig. I thought you could only fit 9. I counted wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can fit 10. Alright, so they fit in there. Let's put the end bars in. Now let me get to this first. Okay, here's the screen door plans that they have. You put them on. Put these things on here. Now you don't have to do this every single time, so it's not hard to do. You have this on. You should have this in place before you put the end bars down in through here. You should have that all in place. I did that just to show you. This is their little screen door number F. Yeah, number F. Letter F. Why do I keep saying numbers? Anyway, that's letter F. And that holds everything in place. For the most part. So you put these all in. I just know my air compressor's going to kick in any time now. I'm on a roll. your top bars there. Okay, there's the top bars. So you want to get these all squared up. Yeah, nice and square. You can even bring it up because it's all spring tensioned. And you know, whenever it's up, like so, even though this is for a shallow frame, right there, you know it's all square when I redo that. Okay? So you might want to grab like a little hammer. I don't know. This isn't a rubber mallet, but it's close enough. Give yourself a little pounding in on all of them. This is solid metal. I don't prefer rubber because I don't know why. Probably would if I had one. There it is. Looks like I can't do this video too good. It's only a 3-gallon Harbor Freight compressor. Anyway, you take your Harbor Freight air gun that I got suggestions to buy off of this thread, and you take and you staple according to Dawn. He puts 2 in each top bar. Boom, 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 boom. I'm not going to do it because the air compressor's kicking on right now. I apparently don't have enough air to do this. Once you do all these top bars, you get them in, they're all level. Flip this whole jig over. Then you put your end bars in. Now, Don, I've watched his video a lot of times, and he said he can put together frames on his table saw quicker than you can with this jig, and I believe it because I'm taking a long time. Take your table saw and put it in that little groove for your 45-degree, whatever you call that thing. You can run boards through sideways. Whatever that groove is called. Make sure your frames are square in that. It's a lot quicker than this. Bring this up. Now all your end bars are in flat. Take your staple gun again and just go in. You only put 1 in. Boom, 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 boom. Dawn says he doesn't use no glue. He says he doesn't believe in it because of the formaldehyde. Type Bond 3 doesn't have formaldehyde in it, but I'm probably not going to use glue on my frames. There's really no use in using glue on my frames. Bees make their own glue called propolis, propolis, however you pronounce it. They'll glue everything together. This isn't the greatest Christmas music, I apologize. So that's pretty much it. Get these all nailed in. After that goes together, that's it. Now I wish I could show you exactly how this works, but I don't have everything nailed together. The inner supports, the reason why they're on a groove to move is so that you can, once everything's together, you can go like this. This whole frame comes out of here with everything together. Let's just pretend these are all nailed together. Bring them out. This is going to fall apart because it's not nailed together. But if it was, this whole frame comes apart. You take your inner supports out, and that's the end of it. I only had one frame fall apart. That's not too bad. And that's the end of it. So that's the beesource plans that I corrected. I had one mishap here with the knot. That's pretty much it. So, find plans elsewhere if you want a cut and dry thing. Sorry for 10 minutes of your life gone, but that's my suggestion.